Unlock massive real estate investment potential by uncovering properties with unpaid taxes. And here's exactly how to do it using Propstream. First, we're going to log into your Propstream account once you're in. You'll see the main search interface. We want to start by narrowing down our search area. You can do this by drawing a polygon around a specific neighborhood, county, or even a zip code directly on the map. This ensures we're focusing our efforts on areas that align with your investment strategy now. Let's get to the crucial part, finding those tax-delinquent properties. On the left-hand side, you'll find the filter panel. We're going to navigate to the Property Characteristics section within this section. Look for the filter labeled Tax Delinquent. Click on that filter. Propstream will then automatically update your results to show only properties that currently have outstanding property tax obligations. This is your goldmine for identifying potential off-market deals. Now, let's refine this further. Often, you'll want to look at properties where the delinquency is significant. You can further filter by the amount of unpaid taxes or the number of years the taxes have been delinquent. Clicking on an individual property will open its detailed profile here. You'll find a wealth of information, including the exact amount of taxes owed, when they became delinquent, and other key property details like owner information and estimated equity. This information is invaluable for assessing risk. Properties with significant tax debt can indicate a financially strained owner, potentially making them more receptive to a quick sale. Always remember to conduct thorough due diligence. But this filter is a powerful starting point for finding motivated sellers. By leveraging Propstream's tax delinquent filter, you can effectively identify investment opportunities others miss, allowing you to proactively target motivated sellers and potentially secure fantastic deals before they hit the open market. Happy investing!